Hello, teacher. I'm Natalia Perdomo, and today I'm going to present my lesson plan for sixth grade students. So give me a second to present. Okay, the topic of my class is food and drinks. The lesson is designed for a virtual class, in its duration for 60 minutes. The pragmatic for the first The pragmatic is outcome of the lesson is that students will be able to talk about their favorite food and drinks in simple conversation like this. So the linguistic outcome is that the students will recognize and use vocabulary related to food and drinks using expressions such as I like, I don't like, my favorite food is. For example, I like pizza, or I like burger, or I like ice cream, and so on. So the first session warm up, for the warm up activity, I use live worksheets, okay? So students listen to the pronunciation of different foods and drinks, the corresponding images. This activity help the students, in this case, activity prior knowledge and practice pronunciation. Okay, this is like this is my presentation created by Natalia Perdomo. Okay. Foods and drinks. You should pronounce the names of foods and drinks carefully. This design is from Canva, okay? Um, like my design, okay, from the Canva. I designed it in Canva, okay? Um,
Pizza.
yeah, listening to each images,
Pizza. Burger.
burger,
French fries.
French fries,
Water.
water,
Wine.
wine,
Popcorn.
popcorn,
Ice cream.
ice cream, and like this, and so on. For in the stage one, I use an interactive Canva presentation. Students learn vocabulary related to food and drinks through images, animation, and oral presentation participation. Sorry. I also ask simple questions, such as like, do you like pizza, or do you like burger, do you like ice cream, and what is your favorite drink, and so on. And in stage one, like this, I'm gonna present. Um, Sorry. Mm, yeah, like this.
Repeat.
Okay. Foods and drinks. Sixth grade English class. Today we will learn food vocabulary, drinks vocabulary, likes and dislikes. Vocabulary, it's all that. Pizza, burger, coffee, tea, ice cream, lemonade, popcorn, wine, French fries, milk, water, and meat.
Repeat after me. Pizza, pizza. Popcorn, popcorn. French fries, French fries. Tea, tea. Milk, milk. Wine, wine. Coffee, coffee. Ice cream, ice cream. Water, water. Burger, burger. Lemonade, lemonade. Meat, meat.
Okay, it was a listening activity for each images and vocabulary, okay? And likes and dislikes. I like, for example, I like pizza and I don't like pizza. Guess the food. Can you identify the food from the image? In this case, it's a lemonade. Lemonade. And now let's play quizzes. It's from the first station too, okay? Join the game, answer the questions. So I'm gonna stage 2. Students participate in an interactive quizzes activity about food and drinks vocabulary. 20 minutes. And the answer multiple choice and true or false. And question related to food vocabulary, okay? Also likes and dislikes. This activity allows the students to practice vocabulary in a fun and interactive way. Okay, I'm gonna. For example, sorry. It's a little complicated. Yeah, like this. It's a quizzes. For example, the question 1 starts like, do you like pizza? Rice? Yes, I does. Yes, I do. Milk? In this case, yes, I do. The question 2, what is your favorite drink? Meat, popcorn, burger, lemonade. So in this case, drink lemonade. Choose the correct sentence. Like a milk, I pizza like. Use favorite, I like ice cream. In this case, it's a correct answer. I like ice cream. The question 4, I like hamburgers or burgers. And so the correct answer is true. Complete the sentence. Question 5. Complete the sentence. My favorite food is pizza, milk, water, wine. It's not milk because it's a food and this is a drink. So water is also wine also. So in this case, pizza. The question 6, which one is a drink? Tea, coffee, popcorn, meat. And in this case is 2 answers, 2 correct answers, tea and coffee. And sand. 7 question. Question 7, do you like milk? Yes, I am. Yes, I do. Burger and meat. In this case, it starts do and yes, I do. Correct answer. And number 8, choose the correct sentence. I'm not like ice cream. Don't like ice cream. I don't like ice cream. I not like ice cream. In this case, the correct answer is I don't like ice cream. My question is true or false. In this case, I don't like onions. Is a correct sentence or not? In this case, it's true. The 10th question, complete the sentence. I don't like because it's acid. In this case, let's check lemonade, water, tea, coffee. It would be coffee? Nah, it's not acid. So lemonade. So that is it. The quiz is finished. In this case, stage 3, students complete another live worksheets activity. They complete sentences using structures such as like, I like, I don't like, and my favorite food is. For example, I like pizza, I don't like ice cream, and my favorite food is burger, for example. And I'm gonna give me a second. And this is my activity, foods and drinks. Let's talk about food and drinks. And in this case, the students have to write in this space. For example, I like pizza. I don't like ice cream. My favorite food is burger. My favorite drink is lemonade. I like, in this case, pizza also, and burger also. And burger too. So in this case, it's not necessary for validating worksheet because it doesn't have any check or result or evaluate or percentage in this case. So that is it, check results. In this case, pizza, all correct, okay? Finally, give me a second. And finally, the browsers I use were, in this case, Canva, live course sheets, quizzes. Quizzes is like, it's the same. Wayground, in this case, it's called Wayground, but it's the same thing. So, yeah, quizzes and virtual learning tools for online interaction. So that's all my lesson plan. Thank you for your attention, teacher. And thank you so much.